What's going on, you guys? It's Bre'Aunna and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be doing mini twists with beads at the end. Not a big fan of mini braids, so I of course am gonna have to go with my baby mini twist. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. So the products and accessories that I will be using for today are elastic bands, a rat tail comb, a beater so I can easily insert my beads into my mini twist at the end, crocodile hair clip so I can hold my hair in place, hair scissors just in case I detect some split ends, plain water, frizz taming cream from Aussie Miracle, some rubber bands. Of course, I have my coffee beans that I will be using to put on the end of my hair. So the very first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just kind of going to spritz my hair a little bit. I already applied my leave-in conditioner, so my hair is already partly moisturized. Part my hair from ear to ear. I put up that big back section and I already moisturized the small section I'm working with. I will show you guys the next section that I do, but it is all moisturized and this is the strand that I'm going to head and work with. Before I start, you guys can't really see it when I'm doing it from the back, so I'm just going to tell you, and once I get to the front I'll be able to show you. But how I'm going to start this style is I'm going to braid 2 or 3 inches all the way down, and I'm going to collide it so that it goes into a twist, just so it is less puffy because I do have really puffy roots. And I'm just going to twist all the way down.
And boom, there we go.
Place this bead all the way down like that, as well as the second one. Grab the end of my hair and I'm going to put it through this loop here so it's hanging just like that. Grab the stem as well as my hair. I'm going to push up the beads, and I'm struggling a little bit, y'all, because my hands are slippery from the product, but I'm just going to go ahead and pull it up like that. A little bit of a struggle, but your girl got it. I'm going to push this bead down here so I have a little bit of hair left over, and I'm going to loop it around. Grab one of my rubber bands and secure it all the way around. And boom. Just like that, you have a beaded twist. And I just went ahead and sectioned off a new part, so I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize it. I can feel my oils, my healthy oils that are in my hair, but it is starting to dry up a little bit, so that's where I'm just going to go ahead and spray this section. Finger detangle, so not too much. I mostly finger detangle when I get into the smaller sections. I'm going to go in with a dime size-ish amount of my frizz taming curling cream, and I'm going to work that in as well. And you don't have to use a dime size amount, you could use a little bit more, totally up to you, but I'm just using kind of a dime size amount because I already have a leave-in. This is kind of just like a lock-in moisturizer for my hair, so I can keep all those good oils locked in place. Make a part. This is where the efficient finger detangling comes in, and the reason why I'm not using a brush is because I honestly just prefer to finger detangle, and I know my hair is not that tangled up just because this is freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. Just washed and deep conditioned my hair last night. To split this one piece into 3 pieces and start braiding at the root. Here's a good place to stop. And now I'm going to go ahead and split this into 2 sections. So now I just have 2, and I'm going to twist all the way down. Once I get it twisted all the way down, here is where my hair scissors come in. I can feel a little bit of the split ends there. And now we have a sufficient twist. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add on my beads.
And boom.
Ultimate final look. As y'all can see, it took me about 3, definitely not 3, because I low-key took breaks in between and because I filmed it, but ultimately I would say the style took maybe about 4 to 5 hours in terms of me twisting and putting the beads on as well. But yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I'm gonna turn around a little bit just so you can get a little bit of a side and back view. So my parts aren't perfect, but I would say they're decent. You know, like, this is the whole look. Y'all have no idea how long I've been waiting to do this style. I'm gonna turn to the back so I'll get the back view. All in all, I'm in love with the hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think. Do you love it? Do you absolutely think it's cute? Are you thinking about trying mini twists or mini braids with the beads at the bottom? Thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video, and I hope to catch you in my next. Bye, guys.